everybody, welcome back to Easy Fit Home Workouts. My name is Lisa Kono-Shao. I'm your trainer for today, and today I'm taking you through a barbell complex that's great for beginners. This workout is excellent for fat burning because it improves your metabolic conditioning, meaning that it improves the amount of calories that you burn while at rest. Awesome, right? So, what's a barbell complex? It's actually any set of exercises done with the barbell back to back without putting the bar down. So we'll do several moves with the barbell, switching positions seamlessly. And when we're done with that, that'll be one set and we'll repeat. I'll take you through everything, show you the demonstrations. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, please like and share this video, hit the notification bell, and please subscribe. That'll really help to support the free content that we put out on this channel. Thank you so much, and let's get started. So for today's workout, I am using a 5-foot-long, about 25-pound barbell, no weight added to it. If you don't have a barbell at home, you can substitute with a set of dumbbells or even a curl bar if that's available. I've also put a link below to a great barbell that you can get on Amazon. These are reasonably priced, under $50, and it's a great thing to have for this type of workout. So as I said, the complex is exercise to exercise without putting the bar down. We're starting out with deadlifts, followed by bent over rows, and we're going to do 8. To do a deadlift, back straight, glutes are squeezed, and you're going to keep your bar very close to the body as you drag it down. And back up, that's 1. Okay. 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend over as much as you can, and arms out in front of you, and pull up towards the ribs for a bent over row. That's 1. Right for 8. 2. Nice and slow. On the eccentric motion, that's the decline motion. 8, and we're going to straighten up right into upright row. You might be starting to feel this if you're using a heavy barbell. Another option is you can start out with lighter bar weights. They're actually weights that are shaped like bars, and they come in every increment, 12 to 15 pounds, and that just might be better for you for beginners. Okay, that was upright rows, and now flip it up, resting on your palms with your thumb, bracing for support. Keep the bar close to the chest. Tighten your abs and your glutes, and front squats. Whew. Good. Overhead press. Eight. Right back onto the shoulders for good mornings. Knees a little bit looser, not quite locked. And we're going to hinge forward, bracing ourselves, keep the back straight, and back up. That's 1. 2. 3. And that is your complex. That's the first set. We're going to take a short break, rest, get some water, and we'll get right back to it. We're going to do 2 more sets together. At home, I suggest you do between 3 and 5 sets for optimal fat burning. This is really terrific because it can really replace cardio to an extent. It creates a cardio effect and has that wonderful fat burning result. Okay, let's get started again. We're gonna do set 2. We don't want too much time to pass. Rest should be short. And again, we're doing deadlifts. We're gonna do 8 deadlifts and then go to 8 bent over rows. All right, grab the bar. Make sure your hands are even on the bar. Legs a little further than hip width apart, and keep the bar close to the body, and let's go. Drag it down. 1, 2, 3, squeeze the glutes on the way up. 4, 5, 6, building a nice, strong body. All right, bent over rows. The great thing about these bent over rows is that it's wonderful as a functional movement. Think of how many things we're always bending over and picking up. This helps you to build strength so you don't have such a hard time in actual life. It's not just for looking great, but also performing in everyday life as well. Okay, we're gonna probably do a little bit extra with that one. And stand up. Oh, gotta put this down. Okay, you're not really supposed to put it down, but hair. Okay, ready? Upright rows. Feeling that sweat. Hike the bar up, rest it on your palms, and we're going to do front squats. Overhead. Resting on the shoulders, and good mornings. All right, get to put that bar down for a few seconds, grab some water, and we can get started right back again to do our last set together. Hopefully you're feeling good. I'm definitely breathing a little bit hard. Normally if I'm feeling stronger, I throw some extra weight on here, but probably like you, I'm not getting this workout done first thing in the morning when I'm fresh. I've been through a whole day, been running around, working, and I have to go right back to working, taking care of the family. So it's not my strongest, but I'm still doing it. And I hope you are too. And whatever you do, that's great. Just keep pushing yourself. You'll get there. All right, pick up the bar. Ready? Deadlifts. Let's do 10 on our last set together. This time I'll make sure I count properly. 3, Beautiful. Right into bent over rows. Bend over as much as you can. Bring that bar up towards the ribs. Great, straighten up, upright rows. Halfway, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip it up, use momentum if you need to. Front squats. Push through that lactic acid burn if you're feeling it. Try to keep going. Overhead press. 2. Come on, push. Good. Beautiful. Good morning's our last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, great job. Really proud of the work that you did today. Make sure that you share this with a friend. Definitely love this for fat burning and for a cardio replacement as well when I'm not feeling like running or doing something high intensity. This is fabulous. And like the video and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more new videos or updates.